Hi everyone, and welcome back to Craft Food Nation. Today, we're going to be making wonton soup. Here you can see that we've already prepared our soup broth. The ingredients for this are 8 cups of water, 1 pork bone, 1 chopped carrot, 3/4 of a teaspoon of dried shrimp, 6 cubes of rock sugar, 1 star anise, 2 teaspoons of chicken powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You're going to boil your water and add all of the ingredients at the same time and let that simmer for about 45 minutes. While that's simmering, you can make your wontons. For the wontons, you're going to want some wrappers such as these. We like these because they're nice and thin, so you get more of the filling than you do of the dough. Here we've already mixed our filling. For the filling, you're going to want 1/2 pound of ground beef, 1/4 of a finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of sugar, a pinch of black pepper, and a splash of sesame oil. You're going to mix all of these nicely together and set your meat aside for a few minutes to marinate. Then we'll get to wrapping them. To make your wontons, you're going to put a small amount of egg on one corner of your dough sheet. Then you're going to put about 1 tablespoon of meat into the center of the dough. Fold the opposite corner from the side that you put the egg on up to connect it. Press your remaining edges down to seal the wonton. This is what it should look like. Next, put a little bit more egg on the opposite corner and take the other side and fold over to connect. There's your first wonton. We're going to go ahead and wrap a few more, and then we'll get to making the soup. Here's your finished product. Don't they look delicious? Now we're going to get to making the actual soup. The first thing that you're going to want to do is cook your wontons. You're going to want a pot of hot water, you're going to want to add a splash of oil to that pot of water so that your wontons don't stick together when they're cooking. Then you can start adding all of your wontons to the pot. Gently stir your wontons as they're cooking. When they're done, they'll float to the top. Now that they're done cooking, you can scoop your wontons out into your bowl. You'll want to use a slotted spoon to drain any of the excess water. Now that your wontons are done, you're ready to add your broth that you made earlier. Your broth should be nice and hot now since it's been simmering while you were making your wontons. In our bowl, you can see that we've already added some chopped cilantro and green onion. Add a splash of sesame oil, a spoonful of crispy brown fried onions, another splash of cilantro and green onion, and you're all set. a nice delicious bowl of wonton soup. Thanks so much for joining us today, guys. We hope you had fun with us in the kitchen. If you tried our recipe, let us know how you liked it in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!